We had a beautiful experience here. Dr. Paz do amazing job and very nice person. And I think I just made me really happy because she made my smile very different and very nice. And thank you for the experience. Beautiful new clinic, beautiful people, and I think we can recommend this place for everybody we know.
Yes, we would recommend this place. We're very happy with the results, and even though it feels a little like being a horse, you know, it's supposed to be funny. No problem. It's nice. It's nice. We searched online and we found the Cancun clinic first, and then Irma and other people in Cancun let us know that they will be opening a clinic in Playa del Carmen, and then that's how we ended up here.
Okay, and what do you think about our prices?
Excellent.
In comparison to what it would cost home in Canada, it is about half, maybe even less than half, for the same amount of work. Yeah, but excellent prices. Yeah.
All right.
And we also appreciate the transportation that is provided so that we don't get lost. So it's easy to be picked up in the hotel and brought here and be transported back. And they're very efficient, very nice. We would recommend the whole procedure, the whole treatment. Very nice.